What's up, guys? Today we are at the airfield to fly the Zazzy, one of my favorite planes of all time. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
I'm Abby.
We're the TheRcSaylors. We're at the airfield today to fly one of my favorite planes of all time, the Zazzy. I'm both a little bit nervous and very excited, so it should be fun. We got pretty good headwind coming in, so I'm going to take off right into the wind. Here we go. Yeah.
Oh, show off.
I haven't flown a real plane all year.
Doing good. I like recording big planes.
Yeah, easier to see. Now, I don't use any, what's the word? Where?
Expo.
Expo, thank you, Abby. Oh,
You're
that's
welcome.
weird. My plane just died.
Oh no!
Dead stick, completely dead stick.
No, the Zazzy is
That
doing!
was a complete dead stick. No power, no servo.
Oh, your plane! Your favorite plane!
You saw that.
We got duct tape, we can fix it.
Oh,
You're
that's
welcome.
weird. My plane just died.
Oh no!
Dead stick, completely dead stick.
No, the Zazzy is
That
doing!
was a complete dead stick. Oh, that's weird. My plane just died.
Oh no!
Dead stick, completely dead stick.
No, the Zazzy is doing!
That was a complete dead stick. Such a fun plane to fly. Yeah, it's important, I think, to record this stuff too, because I've flown this plane probably 100 times and I've never had any issues. This is the first time out this year with it, and this kind of stuff happens in the hobby.
What happened?
So this plane has an XT30 plug, and all of my 4-cell flight batteries are Deans. And so I need a little converter to go from XT30 to Deans. And I remember last year crashing something, I don't remember what, but it put a lot of pressure on this little converter in the middle. And I think this is the bad converter. And even though I tested everything on the ground, throttle, servo throws and everything, it was great. Once I got in the air and started moving stuff around, it put the wrong kind of pressure on this. And I'm just gonna eliminate this now because I don't want to use it ever again. It's weak. You can see how it bent? It's bent really easy. They're not, this one isn't supposed to do that, so I think this gave out on me. I had no power, zero, not just throttle, but all my servos lost power too. And so it just came down. It's a real shame because that is my favorite plane. Hence the title of the video, Bring Back the Zazzy, because if you do, I will buy another one. It wasn't the Zazzy's fault that crashed, it was this little piece. So it's crazy that this little thing, this probably cost $1, brought down a $180 plane, plus a, you know, $60 battery or so. It's okay. It's sad that it's my favorite plane, but time to move on and find a new favorite, right?
Right.
Okay, so I will do my best to maybe fix it, but there's a lot of work that needs to be done, so this one might end up in the bin, unfortunately. But give us a thumbs up for coming out and just putting this in the air anyway. I think the 1 minute that it was in the air was a good, memorable minute. It rolled a little bit. I got some fun flips and crazy stuff in there. So it'll go down in history on the channel. Love the Zazzy. Please bring it back. I've flown this probably 100 times off camera. Love that plane. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Yeah.
Oh, show off.
I haven't flown a real plane all year.
Doing good. I like recording big planes.
Yeah, easier to see. Now I don't use any, what's the word?
Expo.
Expo, thank you, Adam. Oh,
You're
that's
welcome.
weird. My plane just died.
Oh no!
Dead stick, completely dead stick.
No, the Zazzy!
Oh,
Stop
that
it!
was a complete dead stick.